All right, let's dive in. Today we're talking about the next major leap in AI, where it stops being just a tool we use and starts becoming something more like a teammate. We're talking, of course, about AI agents.
You know how we use AI, right? We ask it for a bit of information, maybe to write a summary or create an image. But what if it could take that request and actually do something with it, like independently from start to finish? Well, that's the world of AI agents we're stepping into right now. Think about almost any software you've ever used. For decades, it's all followed a simple script. You click a button, it performs one specific pre-programmed action. That's it. AI agents are a whole different ballgame. They don't just follow instructions. They interpret your goal, they come up with a plan, and then they act on their own to make it happen. It's a massive shift from a passive tool to an active, autonomous partner.
Okay, that sounds pretty powerful, right? So let's get down to basics and figure out what an AI agent actually is. What really makes an agent an agent?
So here's the formal definition, but I want you to focus on three key words here: perceive, reason, and act. See, an agent isn't just a library of information. It's a system that can actually understand a situation, think through a problem, and then take the necessary steps to solve it. Let's break that down into a really simple loop. First, it perceives. It takes in your request and gets the lay of the land. Then, it reasons. It breaks down that big goal into smaller, manageable steps and figures out the best path forward. And finally, it acts. It actually executes the plan, whether that's sending emails, crunching data, or writing code. Perceive, reason, act. It's this continuous cycle of getting things done.
And listen, this isn't magic. It's all powered by a combination of really powerful technologies. You've got natural language processing, which lets them understand what we want, machine learning, which helps them get smarter over time, knowledge graphs, which give them deep, real-world context, and workflow automation, which gives them the tools to actually, do things.
Okay, so we've covered the what. Now let's get to the most important part, the why. How does this technology actually bring real value to your day-to-day life? Let's look at the practical side of things.
We're going to run through 6 major areas where these agents are already making a real, tangible impact and completely changing how we get work done. First up, the most obvious one, but maybe the most powerful: automation. Just think about all the time you spend on tedious stuff: data entry, scheduling meetings, generating the same old reports. Agents can take all of that off your plate, freeing up your brain power for the work that actually requires a human touch, like creativity and strategy. Second, it's just about pure speed. An AI agent doesn't need to sleep, it doesn't take coffee breaks, it can handle a bunch of complex tasks all at once, around the clock. This means a project that might have taken you days to analyze can now happen in just a few minutes. It's a massive boost.
And agents aren't just going the grunt work, they're becoming real partners in decision-making. They can sift through enormous piles of data, spot trends a human would absolutely miss, and then give you solid recommendations. And this applies whether you're in finance, marketing, or even healthcare.
The fourth area is education. And this is really cool. Imagine a tutor that adapts to your personal learning style in real time, creating customized quizzes and practice exercises just for you. That's what AI agents are starting to do, making learning new skills way more effective and honestly more engaging. Now, zoom out to the entire business level. Agents are streamlining whole operations, from handling the first wave of customer support tickets to coordinating super complex projects. They are becoming the automated backbone that makes companies run more efficiently. And finally, agents are basically the Lego bricks for the next generation of software. This is what people are calling the Agentic AI era, a future where you'll have teams of specialized agents all collaborating to solve problems that are way too complex for any single AI to handle on its own. So, all of this is leading to a really profound shift in how we think about technology. We're moving past the idea of AI as just a tool, and we're starting to see it as a true collaborator, a teammate.
This quote just nails it. The key word here is collaborate. It's not just about getting help anymore. It's about working side by side with a digital partner that has its own unique skills and can actually contribute to a shared goal. So what does that collaboration actually look like? Well, imagine an AI agent that can manage an entire project, from kickoff to completion, or one that can guide a customer through a really tricky support problem. You could have agents running smart classrooms or even, and this is wild, operating entire business units based on real-time data.
Okay, let's bring this all home. What's the one big thing you need to understand about this massive shift? Why does this matter to you today?
The big takeaway is this: AI agents are a totally new paradigm. For our entire lives, we've had to tell our computers how to do something, step by step. Now, we just tell them what we want to achieve, and they figure out the how. It's a fundamental change that affects pretty much everything about how we work.
And make no mistake, this isn't science fiction. This isn't some far-off dream. The foundational pieces are here, and they're being used today. The era of the digital teammate is